In today's video, we are going to show you how to create an account on GatesFX. This guide is perfect for beginners and the entire process only takes a few minutes. Let's begin. But the first thing that you need to do is go to the official website of GatesFX and click the login button on the top right corner, because this will forward you to a page that says register now, since this is your first time here. If you do, you will be forwarded to a new page. Just provide all the information needed: your first name, last name, your country, and your email address. After that, you want to make sure to check your inbox or spam folder on your email, because GatesFX will forward you a pin that you need to click on so that you can verify your email address. If you click on it, what will happen is you will be forwarded to the GatesFX dashboard itself. And as you can see, my profile has not yet been verified. So you want to make sure that your account has been fully verified so you can unlock all the tools here in GatesFX. And basically, that's how you create an account here on GatesFX. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.